Samsung is ready for the launch. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy A53 is ready to launch, and as we are proceeding to the launch date, we are getting a lot of leaks about Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. Where now we get to know what will be the price for this device, some device cover that we are going to look at, and official release date. According to the king of leaker, Evan Bloss shared an official look and teaser of new Samsung Galaxy A53, which is going to happen on 17th of March 2022. Samsung is planning to launch a couple of devices where we see Samsung Galaxy A73, A53, Galaxy A33, Galaxy A23, and Galaxy A13. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy A53 or Galaxy A73, which one you are going to get. Samsung Galaxy A53 will going to have a 6.5 inches Super AMOLED Full HD Plus 120Hz Infinity O display and an in-display fingerprint scanner. Runs on Android 12 and comes with Exynos 1280, or there are some rumors pointing towards Exynos 1200. Let's see which one is true. There will be two variants of Galaxy A53, 6 gigs or 8 gigs, 120Hz or 256 gigs of internal storage. Samsung Galaxy A53 will have 4 lenses on the back, 64 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth sensor, and 5 megapixel macro. Samsung Galaxy A53 1G went on sale in Serbian portal, where we see the images and price of the device. While Samsung Galaxy A53 will going to cost you around 350 euros, which is in line with the Galaxy A52, but we are not sure if that's true or not. We also get some news regarding Samsung Galaxy A53 cases where we see quad camera shape and LED. The design is more like the previous generation Galaxy A52. Samsung Galaxy A53 comes with the 5000 mAh battery and 25 watt of fast charging. Samsung Galaxy A53 once appeared on Google Play Console, in which we see some details. Where A53 comes with the Exynos 1200 processor, but we don't know how well it will perform because the bad performer Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos 2200 variant. Let's see what Samsung brings to the table, but before going for this, make sure to get some reviews on it. Because of the Exynos processor, we still have some doubt on it. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy A53 or A73, which one would you prefer? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.